Of all the home computers you can buy, the Commodore Amiga 500 is by far the most... But surprisingly, the Commodore Amiga 500 can be yours from Amiga. Call Commodore Computers on...
The Atari 520 ST has twice the power of many business micros. It handles business with ease. It can paint pictures and make them move. It can play advanced games. Yet it costs less than £300. The Atari 520 ST, power without the price.
The Amiga from Commodore offers fun, games and education for the whole family. The Amiga from Commodore at your local dealer now.
Any machine can play games with you.
But as a real computer, I can also help with education.
Give people the power to be successful.
Enable them to create music
And produce extraordinary images through my artist's palette.
Because I'm the Atari ST.
A real thing, not a plaything.
The Commodore Amiga 500 now comes with the exciting Batman package, or Class of the 90s, the fun way to learn. Is he doing his homework or playing the Joker?
Any machine can play games with you, but I'm the Atari ST.
A real thing, not a plaything.
Look out for the amazing Commodore Amiga packs. And remember, you can win one by calling Commodore right now on 0891 1010 98 with the answers to our questions. And don't forget, all calls cost under £1, so don't miss out. Get on the phone right now for your chance to win.
Discover the world of the 16-bit computer with the Atari Discovery Pack for less than £300.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And in the meantime, why don't you check out one of my other videos here on the side. And until next time, bye for now.